Pi Network partnership with Banxa. Pi Network is partnered with Banxa, allowing users to buy Pi coins directly with fiat currency without needing a verified Know Your Customers (KYC) account. However, users will still need to complete Banxa's Know Your Customers process to access this feature. As what this partnership mean for Pi network users? Fight on ramp and off ramp. Buy crypto using credit, debit cards, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and bank transfers. Verified and regulated. Banxa operates legally in many countries and ensures top tier security. User friendly. Whether you are a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, Banxa makes transactions easy and